Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. First of all, open camera on your phone. Click here for camera. Now click on more button here. Click on slow motion option here, and start recording your video now. I start taking this video. While recording video, it be like a normal video. I stop the video and play the video that I took. See the action there. It's playing in slow motion. So in this way, you can easily take a slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.